August 28, 2025, a date that will be etched in India's industrial history forever, the day when our semiconductor dream transformed from vision to reality. In the heart of Sanand, Gujarat, stands a facility that represents more than just manufacturing. It represents India's technological awakening. The CG Semiiosat facility, where the first made-in-India semiconductor chip will soon roll off the production line. Union IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw, Chief Minister Bhupendrabhai Patel, and Industries Minister Balwant Singh Rajput stood together as witnesses to this historic inauguration. Soon, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will dedicate this milestone to the nation. But today, I want to share something deeply personal. Our BizBrains team had the extraordinary privilege of meeting Mr. Vellayan Subbiah, chairman of CG Power, right at this groundbreaking facility. When he thanked us for steering the Exim and Customs Advisory for this 7,600 crore project, it wasn't just professional recognition. It was a moment that connected us to India's larger purpose. This isn't just about technology. This isn't just about business. This is about nation building. For decades, India has been known for semiconductor design. Today, we're building the complete ecosystem, from design to manufacturing to assembly. These chips, born in Gujarat soil, will power our cars, our smartphones, our defense systems. They will reduce our dependence on imports. They will create thousands of jobs. They will position India as a global semiconductor powerhouse. Behind every great achievement is a team that believes in the impossible. Our cross-functional BizBrains team, led by Meenal Booch and Parth Mehta, worked tirelessly to ensure zero-day compliance. The officials at Customs and ICEGATE became partners in this national mission. The Sanand facility isn't just a factory, it's a symbol. It's proof that when India sets its mind to something, we don't just participate, we lead. Here's what I'm thinking. Will semiconductors become the new steel for India's growth story? Will this small chip create the same industrial revolution that steel once did for our nation? I want to hear from you. What do you think this means for India's future? How do you see this impacting your industry, your career, your life? This is Atmanirbhar Bharat in action. This is India not just dreaming, but delivering. One wafer at a time. One chip at a time. One milestone at a time. The semiconductor age of India has begun, and we're just getting started.